Hey, I'm Tess, and I work here at JB Tools. Today, I am going to show you the Milwaukee M12 quarter-inch hex screwdriver that is conveniently available at jbtools.com. Personally, I have never used one of these, so we're going in blind. Looks like we've got some pretty nice packaging here. So let's give it a go. Get this open. Now, nifty. It actually comes right in the soft case, so you don't have any of that extra packaging. I like that. So we got our classic Milwaukee logo here. Looks like a really nice sturdy case. All right, so it looks like we've got the charger. Looks pretty nice. As I had mentioned, it does come with 2 of the red lithium batteries, so you've always got a backup when one of them runs out. As I said, I've never used one of these, but I hear that that's a thing that happens. All right, and then the creme de creme, we have the screwdriver itself. Again, we've got that nice Milwaukee logo on it. Same coloring, the classic red and black. Honestly, the thing fits really well in my hand. I'm kind of surprised. I feel like I've got smaller hands for a lady. So this does fit really nice. It's got a good look to it. I don't know what I'm doing with it, but somebody's going to tell me as I sort of figure it out. We got a little button that goes back and forth here. And this looks like it is probably a belt clip, I think I saw mentioned. And I was told I have to show that by our art director, Augustine. It does work. And it's like, seems pretty sturdy. Seems like it would hold up no matter what kind of job you're doing. So, yeah, go ahead and take a look at that a little bit more. And then, we've got the operator's manual and instructions. Like I said, I have not used one of these in the past, but I am pretty smart, so I don't need those. If you aren't as smart, though, they do have them. So thanks for that, Milwaukee. I'm going to go ahead and set the case aside over here and take a better look at the screwdriver itself. Let's see if we can figure out how to turn this thing on. Pop one of these bad boys out. Hopefully they are charged like they are rumored to be. Oh, fun. Fits in, clicks, and it's already on. I hope, because that's a light, so usually that means on in my world. So I've got this clicked over to this side, whatever that means, and it appears that this works, and same with that side. So I guess while I'm screwing things in, which is our next activity, I'll figure out which way is which. Ahoy hoy, and welcome back to Tess Figures Out Tools. So as we were just demonstrating, we have got the Milwaukee M12 quarter-inch hex screwdriver. And now I am going to take my Milwaukee 26-piece drill bit set and figure out how to put one of these in that, and then we're gonna screw some stuff, apparently. And apparently I don't even know how to open this. Much easier than I thought. Okay. So we got a lot of bits here. I'm gonna guess that there's 26 of them, basic by the name. So looks nice. You can also find this on our website. So I have got the Black & Decker screws here that we're going to go ahead and use. These are also available at jbtools.com, and they are currently 75% off, so a super good deal. Again, my bossy art director told me I have to use gold screws. I don't know why. I've never been a fan of gold, but here we are. Another thing that I did notice while I was kind of messing around with this is you've got this little battery indicator here. So it actually will tell you as you're using it just about how much charge you've got left in your battery. super convenient. That way, you know, if you are working on a long job, you can just go ahead and throw your other one on that convenient charger while you are still working with this one. And when it's time to switch out, you got another one ready for you. So convenient. Thank you for that, Milwaukee. All right, I'm going to, I guess, match these up. I'm going to go with this. I think these things turn. Yeah, there we go. Haha. I can probably, there we go. Got it. I think these are magnetic. That is not how you put that in. I don't know how to get that out.
Get it stuck in there.
Yes.
Well, try to get it hot.
So yeah, this, I don't really know what this gauge here does.
It adjusts torque.
You literally couldn't have told me that?
You didn't want any help.
Whatever. So anyway, so this is just the torque, as everyone knows. So when you're screwing things in and you want it to not go as fast, yeah, you just go ahead and, ow, that. So now, if I were to go down on that, that's worse. Now we'll go up. That's so much worse. Absolutely not. Well,
make it higher, it'll go in faster.
ah, that did work. All right, so that's what that does, is that's the torque adjuster. I mean, who doesn't need their torque adjusted? I know I do. And we're not going to break things. All right. Now I'm going to try and figure out how to do this in reverse. So taking the screws out. Got that far. All right. So I click that thingy in reverse. And I'm going to start with the one that I actually did get all the way down. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look how slow I made that happen. Wow.
Wow.
All right, see? Instructions. Didn't need them. Just needed a sassy art director. Somebody who could figure anything out. So, yeah, then you just don't just pull that out. Look at that release. So we got a great release on that, and it is very easy to switch out all of your different bits. That is not how you put that in. I don't know how to get that out. Very easy to switch out all of your different bits for whatever different kind of job you're doing. That's why you want to get one of these kind of variety kits that's got everything, because some people are doing things more than just showing you how to put a screw into a piece of wood in their office. So again, I'm Tess. I work here at JV Tools, where you can find a full line of Milwaukee products, including this incredible M12 quarter-inch hex screwdriver. And hopefully you can use all of the tools we've presented today and everything else we have on our website a lot better than I can. Who's cleaning this up? It's like not my problem. Bye. The talent is working.